Hello. Happy first of the month, guys. Um, this month is my birth month, guys. Yeah, my birth month. I'm going to live like 2:19 a.m. to 3:19 a.m. because I have something to do later. Okay, bam. But guys, if you want to message me here, guys, sorry, but I can send even a dot because someone said that I'm shadow banned. Kaya daw hindi ako nakakasend na message. Pero wag kami na lang. Hi! Tingnan niyo naman guys, yung aking dimple. Dimple, pimple pala. Diba meron dito. Tapos meron din dito, sa gitna pa talaga. Like, kakainis. Kasi sa gitna pa talaga siya. And, pero mawawala rin naman yun later. Hi, Yago! How are you na? Maybe, never. I'm okay po. Happy first of the month, guys. Salvaje, hello. Roro. Hi, guys. If you're asking what is this one, that's my tala, okay? Tanakog. Kiyak-kiyakin. Kiyak-kiyakin. Iba yung unit, guys, kasi mukhang uulan naman dito. Alam niyo yung part na sa ibang lugar, like Pasay, umuulan na, pero Makati hindi pa. And, ayun, ganun dito, eh. Hi, hello. But guys, ano yan? Hindi ako makausap ng, ano, just wondering lang. Guys, don't message me here, okay? Kung wala tayong talk about this one, ganyan. Para lang kasi yan sa VID. So, huwag niyo akong i-message. And, kung may message, susundan ako ng hi, sabihin niyo na agad. Yung, like, direct to the point. Kasi, baka i-block ko lang kayo. Lo, sungit yarn. Ganda yarn. Hindi naman. Onti lang. Oo, di na talaga ako nagla-live. Kasi meron pa akong ano, meron akong mga iba pang work. Kaya kung maka-live ako guys, bihira. Kaya kung mapapansin niyo ako maka-live, bihira na yun. Kaya ngayon guys, sulit-sulit na lang. Kasi Cemetery because I have Thank you, Seth. Dark Joey, thank you. Guys, I said like, don't send even like a hi to me. Just direct. Sabihin nyo lang sa akin kung ano. Kaya pala, yes. Kaya pala, yes. Kaya pala, yes. Let's go, guys. Make my day better. Because yesterday is not. But it's okay. Thank you. Hi, Sigabo.